Yeah. Almost burnt the chicken, y'all. Almost burnt it. How y'all think? A little bit burnt? Got my head in the clouds and I don't wanna come down. Smoking dizzy out the pound. You don't wanna see us now. Last bitch did me five, but I ain't walking with no frown. A little bit burnt there, huh? What do you think? Boom. Only one. Bang, 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 bang. Shout out to the queen. Big up to the queen this morning. Enough love, the queen of the Nile. Big up yourself. Only one. Blessings, blessings, queen. Blessings to you. Blessings to your loved ones. You know what I'm saying? May God guide you and protect you and keep you safe today. Bless your mom for me, you know what I'm saying, and the young general, you know what I mean, on this Sunday. So big up yourself, Queen. Enough love. Oh, I'm alright, I'm doing good today. You know what I'm saying? You know, bubbling in this heat. Bubbling in this heat right now. You know, trying not to cook inside, because inside make inside hot today, you know. So we are here with it today. But I'm doing good, only one. Thank you, Queen. I hope you're alright. You know what I'm saying? Island girl, big up yourself. Blessings to the island girl. Blessings and blessings to you today. You know what I mean? Enough love, enough love, enough love. Yeah, so today is to make some curry chicken and some dumpling and some fried chicken today. My daughter requested this today, so you know I had to oblige. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect, island girl. Blessings to you and blessings to your baby. You know what I'm saying? Hope everything is going well for you.